Text warping is such a fun way to add character to your typography. Today, I will show you a simple way to warp your text in Figma so it feels more dynamic. Hey, I'm MengChi, a creative designer at Meng Design. I used to struggle with visual expression, and my design didn't always look the way I imagined. That's why I started this channel, to share what I've learned and discovered so you can design with confidence. Here's the fun part for this video. We're adding a tiny 3D twist to that warp text. By the end, you will know one easy trick to skew your text and add more depth to your layout. To follow along easily, grab the starter file link below. Everything is set up so you can learn by doing. Let's get started. We'll start with the design from the link here. To start, we need two text fields. I'm using these two right here. Then create a rectangle that the width is roughly between the length of both words. So 470 plus 763, then divide it by 2, which is around 670. And for the height, I'm going with about 30% of the rectangle width, which gives us around 185. Once the base shape is ready, open the Warp plugin. Select this preset, then set the angle to 15 degrees. And choose the first text field. You will see it warp to match the shape we set. Click Create. Now select the rectangle again, choose the next preset. And set the angle to minus 15 degrees. Then pick the second text field and hit Create. Now both text fields are warping upwards at the same angle. Place them together, align them vertically, and adjust the spacing until it feels right. Remove the stroke and group everything. Reposition it back in your layout and scale it up to about 488 pixels tall. That's our clean warp version. But I have one more trick to show you. To add more depth, let's frame this group and add auto layout with 40 padding. And set a 4 pixel stroke. Open the Skew plugin and adjust the vertical slider to minus 10 degrees. Reposition it, adjust the placement of all elements, then scale it to 490 pixels tall. And then set the stroke back to 4. Now you've got a much more dynamic layout. And that's it, we just turned a simple text layout into something that has a lot more character, using warping and a subtle skew. Now you know how to warp a text. Would you try this technique out in your next project? Let me know in the comment. I hope you enjoy this technique. Hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who will enjoy learning design this way. And if you are into typography tricks, check out this half tone text shading tutorial. It's another simple effect that adds a lot of personality. I'm MengChi, see you there.